All right, hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Literally no sleep tonight. That's what I've made up my mind to, because what we're seeing happening right now in front of us is something, if you've been in the crypto space over the past, you could say almost 2 years now, people have been waiting for this moment, especially the people that have been accumulating at that point. And of course, right now, you guys know by the title of the video what we're going to be talking about. We're talking about none other than Solana itself, because Solana is literally retesting yearly highs as we speak. And maybe after I upload this video, we already are above its yearly high. So all the haters right now, I'm sure, are completely speechless, because if you're looking at bears, they are completely wrecked as of now. The amount of liquidations we have seen in the crypto space, not just for Solana but for pretty much everything, is we're talking billions of dollars. So you could really see the momentum is definitely on the side of the entire crypto space, especially after seeing this massive explosive move from BTC. But we have also heard some massive news about Solana today. So let's waste no more time and get right into it. So if we're looking at Solana's price on the daily time frame, it's up 13.8%. And like I said, we're retesting yearly highs. So let's get right into that. If you're looking at the price of Sol, currently sitting at $125.30, and we're up 4.7% in Bitcoin comparative as well. But that's not what I want you guys to focus on. Forget about the price for a second. Let's look at the 24-hour trading volume, $7.4 billion. So we're talking about a 3x gain in the overall volume over the past 24 hours, and the market cap is currently sitting at $55 billion. So recently what we did see was that Solana was lagging behind Bitcoin's price. Reason why that was the case is because Bitcoin had majority of its momentum, which it still does, because if we're looking at the dominance index is sitting at about 55%. That has shot up. So usually when that happens, we do tend to see altcoins lagging behind, especially in Bitcoin comparative. But that's not the case after the news about today, which of course I'm going to talk about in this update. So before we get into it any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So we're going to start off with the Solana DeFi. So if you're looking at Solana DeFi on the last day of the month of February, which in my opinion is the biggest month in the crypto space as far as since the bullish momentum has started, which was obviously in Q4 of last year. Since then, I think this is the biggest month as of now, because we're seeing pretty much everything exploding right now. But what's worthwhile noting, to all the haters that don't see this, this is perfect example right in front of you. So the total value locked in terms of its DeFi for Sol is at $2.4 billion. So guess what? Since yesterday, we have seen $200 million has come into the Solana ecosystem. We're talking about in the last 24 hours, $200 million. Let that sink in. Why is that the case? Airdrop season, people realizing the Solana's potential, and of course, this massive news that I'm about to share with you guys, that is also bringing in FOMO for Sol. So times people have been waiting for are finally here. And the easiest way to tell that is these things that I'm clearly sharing with you. And of course, Bitcoin's price, which is the king of the markets, the leading indicator, has absolutely exploded to levels no one expected that would happen this soon. If anyone came up to me personally and said we will see Bitcoin at 60,000 at the end of February, I would have not believed that, because that is a huge move, and we have seen Bitcoin do that, and that should give you an indication why this ETF narrative is so huge. But now let's take a look at some updates as to what is going on. What is this massive news that I'm speaking about? So we're looking at breaking news. Coca-Cola, a big corporation around the world, so HBC leverages Solana blockchain, not Ethereum blockchain. Yep, you heard that correct. We're talking about Solana blockchain and All Art Protocol, which is also a Solana based project, for secure employee certification. So if you want to read the entire article, you could do so. But this right here is bringing in a lot of attention, and I think this is a catalyst behind the move we're seeing, for Solana right now. I think we're already past its yearly high, which I'm going to share with you guys right now. A lot of excitement, of course, but this right here should give you an indication where Solana really is going. This is not one of the biggest companies that has looked into Solana. We've seen even in the bear market some of the big players that were showing attention, collaborating with Solana, and that's just speaks for itself. So very, very exciting news over here. And of course, like I said, Solana's DeFi is gaining a lot of traction. We're seeing millions of dollars coming into its DeFi, and we're seeing more and more protocols that are confirming that there will be an airdrop for people that are the people that are actually farming on their protocol. So you can see this for yourself. We've seen Drift Protocol, Parco, Zeta Markets, and IONET official. They have confirmed that April is going to be airdrop. So some people that are farming on Solana over the past few months, April could be a massive month just by these airdrops. And this is really, really exciting, of course. And now if we're going ahead, Bonk Ops absolutely killing it. But this is where I want you guys to pay attention to. Let me share this. So we're going to go on meme coin. Where are meme coins? How do I get to meme coins? Wow. Can I not really look at meme coins? Categories. Wow. Do I really not know how to get to that? Meme coins. Bear with me, guys. I promise I can get to that here. Let's go. Categories. There we go. Why was that so hard? Memes. Wow. Did I really take that long? But anyways, that's not what I'm trying to get into. So now if we're looking at just the meme coin, this is what I want you guys to be taking a look at. Meme coins are absolutely exploding right now. Like literally killing it. If people have meme coins in their portfolios, they're being carried. But what you're looking at is, look, Bonk up 82.6%. We're looking at WIF token, another Solana-based meme coin, up 138% over the past 7 days. And, the list goes on and on. WEN token, 65. Myro, you get the idea as to what is going on. The Solana ecosystem right now is gaining a lot of attention. Let me go on the Solana ecosystem for you guys, and you guys can see this for yourself. Pretty much everything right now is gaining a lot of traction. So, this should just tell you, how much attention Solana really has for itself. And I think this is going to continue to happen as we do go further into this bull market, especially after, news like these. And, of course, the on-chain data never lies. On-chain data is everything. That's what I take a look at. And, that's literally right in front of us and speaks for itself as to what's really happening for the Solana blockchain. So, before we get into the SOL price right now, I want to take a look at BTC. So you're looking at Bitcoin, sitting close to its yearly highs, which was at $63,809. Of course, that is a massive resistance. So now what I'm expecting is we might see, resistance come into the way, but, the fact that we're back above 60K is just mind blowing for me. This is insane. We're 12% away for us to officially hit a new all-time high, and this is the largest asset class in the crypto space. Let that sink in. That is a huge moment for the entire industry. And the traditional finance sector right now is completely shaken. But Wall Street, the people that actually have been in Bitcoin, the institutions that have introduced ETFs, these guys are printing millions and millions, if not billions of dollars by introducing them. And look at the perfect timing. These guys know what they're doing. They know the effect of Bitcoin having, and they know the demand. They're starting to understand the cycles, and you can pretty much see this for yourself. The rest is history. If you're looking at SOL, this is amazing stuff. So you're looking at Solana right now as of recording today's update. Solana is literally touching December 25th yearly high. that's exactly where we're currently sitting at, and we could break into a new yearly high, and the next resistance, as you guys know, is at $129.55. And once we're able to get back above that resistance, we're back in the 0.50 fib zone, and that's where excitement really kicks in. So tomorrow, I'm very confident that the price of Solana will break into a new yearly high in the next few minutes. I'm very, very confident about that. But if the price of Solana is able to close its daily candle above that key resistance tomorrow, that is going to be insane. So shout out to the people that were accumulating SOL, especially during the dip that we did see due to Bitcoin closing the CME gap. I'm sure a lot of people at this point wish they were accumulating at that point. If you want to put this move into perspective, SOL is up 60% since then. And, around this range, people were calling for $20 Solana, and I'm sure these guys are nowhere to be seen at this point. And of course, sometimes technical analysis just speaks to you, and you can see this for yourself. We were creating higher highs and higher lows. And that's a clear indication that the price is in an upwards trajectory, and you can see this for yourself. We have seen this move, which we were anticipating. Give yourself a pat on the back. This is really, really exciting. But I will see you guys tomorrow. If you want other updates, other Solana tokens that you guys want me to cover, let me know in the comments down below. I will try my best. Today I'm going to absolutely go insane with the updates. So, you guys are really going to appreciate that. And you can see this for yourself as we end out the video. Solana has officially, at the end of the month of February, hit a new yearly high for itself. Wow. Just wow. Thank you so much. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.